Sup guys, Liam here, and can't believe I was gonna make this video. I'm not only a music review guy, but I'm disappointed. Why Water Tower? Why? Why must you do this to Steve Chicken? So, in case for those not in the loop, Steve's Chicken extended version just got released on streaming, and it is horrible. I'm gonna show you so you can listen, because like I probably won't play too much. It's very short, but because of copyright's a turd ball.
One, two, three.
All right. Doesn't really sound like Jack Black. All right. Sorry guys, I have pretty bad internet.
Ooh. Welcome to the stash. Steve's Lava Chicken. Lava attack. There's a store near you. Get it while it's hot. Chicken jockey.
Ain't no ladies, you chicken jockey son of a bitch. That's not Jack Black. That's Jake Blake. Like seriously, they didn't even get Jack Black. They just got a random. They just got Brian the intern do a bad Jack Black impression.
And Steve Lava Chicken, yeah, it's tasty as hell. Ooh, mama, see to know you're ringing the bell. Crispy and juicy, now we're having a snack.
So I won't play the whole song cause copyright good. But a fucking is, but like it's just like a random guy doing a bad Jack Black voice in the song with random Jack Black and Steve voice lines playing. So yeah, that's it. Just wanted to do a little nitpick of this awful song. I mean, it 12 hours it got on the UK top 40 charts. It has the Guinness World Record has a world record for the shortest time on the UK top 40. Like seriously, we are so cooked. We as a society are cooked. COOKED cooked. Anyway, bye.